brother, my favorite late night snack. Don't scare the kids with your white tongue. It looks like you Hey, you have a mustache. Go with the Who is that?